So we are back with our game series, fun game series. So here is a game. I have made this board and we have some points here, and here are the Uno cards. So let's see. Pick up a card.
This one is 2.
2 and
5.
25. So as you can see, 25 is in pink color. So that's why we have 50 points.
50
Shreya gets
points.
50 points. You can note the score, Shreya.
Yes.
And now I will pick up. So 0, 9. 9.
0, 9.
I got
10
20 points.
No, 10.
9. 9.
Yes.
I got 20 points.
20 points. 2, 0, 20 points.
Now you pick a card.
Mine.
Yes. Next. What is your number?
1, 7, 17 is 40 points. 40 points.
Okay, 40 points. Note it down and mix it up.
Yes. Minus 40 points. Yes.
Mine is 40, you said. Okay.
Yes.
18. 1, 8, 18. 18 is again 40 points.
Yes, again 40 points. Again 40.
Next. Pick up a card.
1, 5, 15.
15
30
is 30 points.
30 points. Hmm, 30. Minus 30.
So in this way, you can continue playing this game till you finish all the numbers, and whoever gets the highest number of points will be the winner. So I hope you enjoy this game with your kids and share with me on my Facebook group and Instagram. Tag us. So see you in our next video. And also you will now find the free printables on my blog. So do check it out. Thank you. Bye-bye.